So I've just been playing around with Adobe Premiere Rush, essentially, and I just kind of want to explain what I have been doing. So Premiere Rush is essentially like Adobe's like less advanced version of Premiere Pro, but it's basically like a little bit more lighter. So I've been playing around with it for the like last few minutes and stuff. Um, and oh my gosh, like one of the coolest features about the software is that I can actually carry over my project files from my phone to my laptop. So I can record video, let's say, on my laptop and then put my recorded video into Premiere Rush and then start a project, and that will be there, and then I can actually carry it back over on my phone when I just did it on my laptop. It is so freaking cool. So that's what this video you're about to see is. It's basically a clip of a video that I've already recorded and have already, you know, cut down for for time constraint consistencies. And plus, this is just one of my better clips because all the other games I was playing in Magic, because that's what I used to record. I just recorded Magic, Arena, and basically just showcasing a highlight. But like, yeah, you're about to see that. Also, I'm a little cringy, but yeah, I'm so freaking I love this software. I think this is what I'm going to be using for now or in general. It's like the thing is also I'm like paying for like the Express, like Adobe Cloud, Creative Cloud Express, or Adobe Express, I think they call it, which is basically like Creative Cloud but with Premiere Rush, uh, Adobe like Photoshop Camera, Photoshop Express, and Video Spark and another software. Like, it's really cool. I'm so loving this. So I just, like I said, I wanted to showcase and show you guys this because I am really, really impressed and excited to play around with the software a little bit more. Anyway, that's it. On to the video. Round of a Pioneer ranked against someone, and I'm going to see how this goes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this footage and then edit the footage afterwards. Let's see. He had to do that. Okay, cool. I'm going to play The Overwhelmed Apprentice. I get to scribe for 2. Okay, that is deeply appreciated. Let's put the troll in the back of my deck. Okay. I am going to play that. I'm not going to attack because I figured a good defense is pretty better. Alright. Let's see what he does now. Heh, yes! This is why we keep the Overwhelmed Apprentice onto the battlefield. We're not going to attack, we're just simply going to make things incredibly hard for opponent. Okay. We're going to play this. The corrupt court official, and he concedes. Alright. That's what. So I'm back again. Something I have to mention is that this software is going to be a bit of a learning curve for me, but I'm okay with that. I've noticed as I was trying to, I was working on this project, I was going back to my laptop and things didn't necessarily, or isn't necessarily syncing well for some odd reason. So that's kind of the main reason why I said this is a bit of a learning curve. But I am very excited to keep playing around with the software. So that's pretty much something I wanted to put to the end of this video, you know, for understanding and context. So yeah, there's nothing else I want to talk about. just wanted you guys to know that I am just kind of playing around, making content, that kind of stuff. Love you guys. See you guys later. And I'm going to be working on more stuff today, or hopefully more stuff. I will be checking in later, at least. Uh, anyway, love you guys. See you soon.